Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to quickly go over how to log in and download our digital items from our shop in case you're interested in maybe trying out any of our sewing patterns or embroidery files. Here is a quick overview. So we are using Pattern by Etsy to sell our digital items. So it's super easy to add the item to your cart and check out, okay? The first page you're going to get is the login page. If you already have an Etsy account, go ahead and log in like normal. If not, go ahead and create an account. If you're new, you're going to get a couple pages where they're asking you for your payment method. You can use Visa, all of those cards, or you could also use PayPal. You're going to go ahead and continue. And again, this is like for new people who are registering a new account. Enter your shipping address, all of that information. If you already have an account, you can skip this step. And then add your payment method. Again, because we are using Etsy, you're welcome to use the Etsy gift card or any Etsy credit that you may have. It should work. And after that, you're going to go ahead and review your order. Please be double checking that you're purchasing the correct file and the correct sizing, because these are digital items. And once you place your purchase, we don't really offer refunds because you have full access to the digital download. Once the order is placed, you're going to receive an email. Okay, so it's going to take you back to our website where we left a little note to go ahead and check your email. And there, you're going to get your invoice and a link. Okay, so the little pink button that says download your files, that's where you're going to click on there, and it's going to take you to the download page for you to download all of the files that you just purchased. And the buttons are going to be on the right side where it says download. That's the page. If again you shop on Etsy all the time, you can also go to your account, and under purchases and reviews, you can also find our store and the download links as well. It's going to be on the right side where it says download files. It takes you to the same page. It's just if you shop, or if you don't want to go through your emails, you could just log into your Etsy account basically and go into your purchases. And yeah, that's pretty much it, how you log in and download the files from our shop. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.